AMS Lite Heater unboxing. Remove all shipping tapes. Pull handle gently to open side doors. Face screen, pull upper cover out. Remove AMS Lite stand screws. Route AMS Lite power cord behind base. Place AMS Lite vertically into base. Tighten screws. Remove top screws of upper cover. Remove screws on AMS Lite feeding unit. Align the long adapter bracket with mark number 4 on the feeding unit. Install long adapter bracket. Place feeding unit on bracket. Tilt long adapter bracket 45 degrees outward. Mount short adapter bracket on feeding unit. Install terminal wires and screws. Refit upper cover. Tighten screws. Install terminal wire buckle and power rubber cover. Installation complete, ready for use.